Today we are going to look into the topic punctuation marks, capital letter and full stop. And look at the following sentence. The girl is playing the piano. Now notice the beginning and the end of the sentence. Here the word starts with a capital letter because it is the first word in the sentence. The sentence also ends with a full stop. It states clearly what the girl is doing. Now, thus we see that a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. The pronoun I is written in capital letter. Letter wherever it appears. For example, Rohit and I are friends. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. For example, she gave the book to Kamlesh. Here, the word Kamlesh is a proper noun as it is the name of the person. Question mark. Now look at this sentence. How many cookies did you eat? This is a question. Notice the symbol used at the end of the sentence. It is called a question mark. A sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark. Let us look at few examples. What color is the dog? Will you play with me? Comma. Look at the following sentence. My favorite fruits are apple and banana. Here there are only two items to list, apple and banana. Now look at the following sentence. My favorite fruits are apple, banana and strawberry. Here there are more than two items in the list. So we use comma for separating them. Thus we see comma is used to separate three or more words in a list. Comma is also used after introductory words such as yes, no, well, hello, etc. For example, hello, how are you doing? It is also used for giving a short pause in a sentence. For example, a lot of people, young and old, rich and poor, met the saint. Exclamation mark. Look at the given sentence. Wow, what a cute baby. Alas, the cat is dead. Notice the symbol used in the sentence. It is called an exclamation mark. We use exclamation mark at the end of a word or a sentence to show strong feelings such as surprise, anger or joy.
Hello everyone, my name is Sindhu. I'm your English coach. I use activities, games and exercises to teach you English and make you a master in communication. I have helped thousands of students and participants to become a powerful presenter and confident communicator. Please subscribe to our channel and motivate us to make more contents like this. Thank you.